Dimensional analysis using the factor label method. Some people just call it unit conversions, but basically it's the same idea. We're going to use relationships between quantities to describe them in different terms. And you'll see what that means as I go through this example problem. So I'm going to ask you, how many seconds will you be in this class if it meets for 182 classes and each period is 59 minutes? So you're going to assume that you're never sick, you're here every day, the bells work perfectly, and that you're never going to have an abbreviated bell schedule for an assembly. So assuming all those things, let's just write down what they give us. The first thing is that there's 182 classes. The next thing is that each class, so that's implying one class, is 59 minutes. And then you couldn't answer the problem with just what was given here, but I think we all know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So using this information, we should be able to get to our answer. Now looking at this, if possible, and it's not always possible, but usually it is, you'll have one piece of information that's not in a relationship. This is a relationship between a class and the length of time. This is a relationship between minutes and seconds. This is what's by itself, and that's what we're going to start with. So we write down what we're given, 182 classes. And what we do is we set up a conversion factor that is going to result in the cancellation of this unit. In math, anytime you have something on the top that's equal to on the bottom and its multiplication, you can cancel it out. So first relationship I'm using is that one class is 59 minutes. I want class to go away, so it's in the denominator. If I stopped at this point in time, what I would know is how many minutes you would be in this class. And while that's valuable to getting to the answer, it is not the answer. I then need to convert those minutes into seconds. So what I do is I set up the relationship where the units that I currently have, minutes, will cancel out and I'll be left with seconds. So that relationship would be 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So minutes will now cancel out. And when I plug these into my calculator, multiplying the numerators, and if there was a number on the bottom, you would divide by that. And that gets you to the answer of 644,280 seconds of awesomeness and not wasting your time. So since we really only have 2 sig figs in this, because we're saying it's 59 minutes, I don't know if it's 59.00 minutes or if it's 59 and a couple seconds, I don't know, so I'm just going to say 59. That will give our answer to only be 2 sig figs, 640,000 seconds. You might be thinking to yourself, oh, that's 60 seconds and 1 minute, that's only 1 sig fig. But this is an absolute relationship where there are really 60 dot infinite zeros seconds and 1 dot infinite zeros minutes. So we don't have to worry about that in our sig fig calculation. Anyway, that's how we do dimensional analysis.